My name is Jim Yearwood. I work for Northern Outdoors. I've been grooming snowmobile trails since 1983. A typical shift will be anywhere from 8 to 10 hours normally, as long as you don't have any issues with the machinery breakdowns or whatnot. Oh, this is a pretty nice trail right here, the Ball Mountain Trail. Another one that's really scenic and kind of fun to groom is ITS 87 South, going around Moxie Mountain. It's probably got some of the most spectacular mountain scenes. But after you groom it with this rig, the trail needs a couple 3 hours to set up, and it'll harden up. You got to groom them both ways, so you're going there and back on 100 miles.